In this tutorial, I will show you how to make collage art in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free and start designing right away. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design and choose any canvas size. You can select something simple like an Instagram post or create a custom size depending on your project. After the canvas opens, go to the Elements section on the left side and search for Grid. Canva provides many collage grids that help organize multiple images in one design. Choose a grid layout you like and add it to the canvas. Resize the grid so it fits your design space. Next, upload the photos you want to use in your collage. Go to the Upload section and upload images from your device. Drag each image into the grid frames. Canva will automatically place the images inside the frames. You can double-click any image to adjust its position. To make the collage more creative, add shapes, textures, or decorative graphics from the Elements section. You can also add text if you want to include a quote, title, or message in your collage design. Adjust the colors and layout so the collage looks balanced and visually appealing. When your collage is ready, click Share and then Download to save the final design.